Hello and welcome to another Solana Metaplex Candy Machine tutorial. Today I've been grading exams and assignments all day, so I want to do something fun now. And something fun would be playing with the hidden settings of the Candy Machine v2. I'm gonna be honest with you, the first time that I saw those hidden settings, I thought they are hidden settings because they just shouldn't be used. They're just some quick hack, so they called it hidden settings. But no, hidden settings are actually called hidden settings because you let the people mint an NFT that is hidden for now, and then you reveal it later. That's what the hidden settings are actually used for. So a lot of people have asked me, how do you actually reveal that? How do you actually change the metadata of the tokens that you minted? And the answer to that is I don't know. And I don't like that. So today we are going to find out how to do that. The usual way. Learning by doing. Alright. So last time we've left off with this setup of the Candy Machine. We were testing the whitelist settings. We don't need that today. We're just going to focus on the hidden settings. We're just gonna create ourselves this nice little candy machine again. Candy machine. To recap how to do that, right? And also because I withdrew the funds from the old candy machines, so they don't exist anymore. So we need to make a new one. So we stay on DevNet. This time I spelled it right. We provide a key. We provide a configuration file. We provide a name, hidden settings. We provide, I don't want to do log levels today. Just provide the upload folder. For my upload folder, I'm gonna just create a new folder. And I think the only reason, wow, that's bright. Why I need something in my upload folder, one element, is that it can take the creators out of there, but I'm not entirely sure, so we're gonna test this. Creator. I think that should work. We'll see, because the rest in here, Andy wants your NFT. We'll see if it takes that. But anyhow, so we have that and some other random image, and we just provide that as our upload folder and create our candy machine. Processing asset 0, initializing candy machine. With pub key, okay, that's my candy machine now. And skipping the upload because it's a hidden candy machine. That looks good so far. Let's have a look at said candy machine right away. So we don't need that, and we just wanna show it. Show me my candy machine. See, that's what I thought. It took over all our settings, and the creator, look, creator that it took from this file. That's why I had to provide the upload folder, because it takes the creators from the first JSON file that is provided. And by the way, they have deprecated this creators property in the metadata standard. So that will be replaced essentially by onchain stuff, which is where that thing comes in, I think. I'm not entirely sure how they want you to put it in for the candy machine. So yeah, just know that there's talk of deprecating this. Anyhow, so it has a creator, which is not a valid address, but that's besides the point. I wanted to do this just to make it clear. Rest looks good. We have hidden settings with our secret Andy again, and we can now mint a shit ton of tokens. Mint multiple tokens. I think that's what it's called, right? And I don't know how it works because I never do it. This number, and the rest is good. Okay, so we just need a number. I want 42 tokens minted, please. I don't know why it says no instructions provided, but it does mint my tokens, so I'm guessing that that works. Meanwhile, this is my cue to tell you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. And then we can have a look in here to see, oh, where does that come from? I don't know, it's probably still an old thing. But here you see I'm getting more tokens. Because this, by the way, is the same wallet that I have in here. It's I imported my candy machine authority, and it is minting me 42 Andes. And that's where we left off last time, essentially. We had a bunch of those faces, all the same, which are now the hidden, right? So this Andy is hiding something. What is he hiding? Good question. What is he hiding? Now, what is this motherfucker hiding? Good old paint. This doesn't look at all good. I mean, the edges are very hard here, but I guess we're fine. And then maybe even, oh fuck, why is this so hard? Maybe even, how do you paint? I click somewhere else. Ah, there we go. Oh, missing hands. I think you get the idea. It's a monkey. Anyhow, point is, we want to reveal this. I'm not fucking done. Yeah, now I'm done. We want to reveal this as our revealed picture now, which means we need to upload it somewhere, because I can't make use of it here. Let's quickly go to GitHub. New repository. Sets. Upload an existing file. Drag and drop shit here. Commit it. Add image for NFTs. Lol. There we go. Now, how do we get to the path of that? Copy permalink. The permalink. No. So raw user content assets. Oh, why is that here? Oh, that's a branch. There we go. Main. That's the path. So it's raw GitHub user content, then my GitHub user ID, my repo name, the branch, and the asset, because it's like direct. It's literally fucking on the root of this repo. Anyhow, so I like that guy. Anyhow, so that's the person who is hiding behind this. Why are you loading so slowly, Luigi? Come, make me a pizza, dude. What's going on? Thank you. Hiding behind that guy. So to reveal this, we need to somehow be able to update that token. So maybe let's start with that. We know we have an NFT. This, we picked the 34. And fun fact, look, there's the creator. And this is the verified creator address, which the candy machine does for us. I think with this one, we can easily search for all the NFTs in our collection, but we're getting ahead of ourselves. We now just want to update this token. We are the update authority, that's us. And Candy Machine apparently keeps a mint authority, and that's the token address. There we go. So that's what we need. That's our token address. If I remember correctly, the Candy Machine has an update metadata command. I've never even looked at it yet. Suho, update Candy Machine. That's not it. Update existing NFTs from latest cache file. No. Generate all mint addresses. Oh, that could also be helpful. Randomize unminted NFTs in new cache file. Oh, that's interesting as well, though. That could be helpful for mints that don't close. Does not seem to have... Okay, fine. I mean, then we start with that. Then let's start with that. Let's get all mint addresses. See what that does. See how that works. I provide just my cache name where it can get the Candy Machine ID from. Okay, I can do that. I present to you get all mint addresses for DevNet with that key and this config. Boom. Let's see what that does. Ooh, interesting. So it will just print out a list. And if we put this here and we search for this thing, here it is. So this is one of the tokens that we've minted. So we've minted 42. That's one of them. So that checks out. We have a list of all the token addresses that we want to reveal at some point. That's the first step that we can do, figuring out what we need to update. But now, how do we actually update it? If only I knew how the whole metadata thing works. But I know of a project called Metaboss. I've never actually tried it. No, not Mario. This, I think. I've never actually tried this, but this is a Metaplex NFT Swiss Army knife tool. So it can do a lot of stuff like decoding metadata and mint new NFTs from a JSON file. So it can set something in the metadata and can set the update authority, get a snapshot by update authority as well. That's cool. How to Solana. When can I update metadata? As long as you have the key pair for the update authority and the NFT is mutable. There you go. That's what that mutable is for. You can update it. There can be social consequences for updating your NFT metadata without communicating with your users. Yes, yes. I mean, that's one of the issues. You know, NFTs, you imagine them to be constant, but most of them are mutable and somebody has the update authority. How do I update metadata? Create a new link, yes. Use Metaboss to update your metadata. There, we have it again. Or write your own code. Yeah, I mean, we could of course do that. Or we come back here. Okay, so several sources point to this. So let's use this. Let's go. Clone. Metaboss. CD. Metaboss. Then cargo install. I mean, that should be fine. Right, we don't need to install it from source. Could have installed it from source. Whatever. Fuck off. Let's see if I can install it from... No. Failed to pass manifest at... Caused by... In order to use unstable packages in Rust. Update the Rust. Do I want to do that? Not entirely sure. Not entirely sure I want to do that, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Just for you, Metaboss. Going to nightly, ooh. But then again, Metaplex is also essentially nightly. I mean, that's even daily. That's hourly built. I'm gonna hate myself if everything stops working. Rust FM. Great. I mean, it's looking better, but I'm running Rust nightly. Metaboss. No! So many warnings. As soon as we get to Metabosses, warning. But warnings are okay. They're not errors. Metaboss generated. Who cares about 7 warnings? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Metaboss. Metaboss 0.3.4. What can you do? We have log leveling. We can provide an RPC endpoint. Timeout override. Oh, if we want to wait longer than 60 seconds or shorter. Burn token. Okay. Decode on-chain data into JSON format. I mean, that already sounds interesting. I want to try it just for fun. Where was my NFT? This was my NFT. That's the metadata that is on chain. Just fun fact. So you also see that once. So that's actually on chain. That's not a JSON that is somewhere on Arweave. That's actually on chain, the data. And let's see, Metaboss decode. Metaboss decode subcommand mint. Decode a mint. Decode mint. Single mint account to decode, or we provide a list and we can provide an output. Okay, the account, so the token account, so I don't provide the mint. Let's see. Let's just try it. Let's see if you like the token account, and we provide output mkd output. Done. Yeah. Whatever. I don't do intensive tasks. Well, let's check the output then. My output contains this thing, which is a JSON, which contains the following data. There you go. We have the creators again with the creator and whatever Candy Machine did here. We have the name. We have the set of fee basis points. They're also on chain. I like that that's on chain and not just on the JSON, on the external JSON. Symbol, URI, an edition nonce is mutable, keys, metadata v1. That's the mint, primary sale happened. Yeah, so cool. We can decode that. Update authority, that's us. That's true. So we are able to change it. Okay. Coming back to you now, Metaboss. Coming back to you now. Programmer-derived accounts, something like that. Addresses, no, PDA addresses. Program-derived addresses, I think. We can already do that. Mint new NFTs from JSON file. I mean, oh, so we just create a new NFT without a candy machine? That's what that is? Probably. Huh. That's how I could have created my whole solandy.sol. Please send me your domain NFTs. Set non, I don't even understand that, but let's ignore it for now. Sign for an unverified creator. Snapshot, get snapshot of various blockchain states. This could also be interesting. But mainly, I think I want to now look into the update. Various aspects of NFTs. Update the data struct. Update the data struct on a list of NFTs. Update the metadata URI, keeping the rest of the data the same. So we can start with just that. We can just update the URI. And for that, we need to specify the new URI, which has been that thing, right? It was pointing to, no, wait, that's, but you know, it was one of those kind of things. So let's go back to our genius freaking GitHub. What's the quickest way of adding something without add file? There you go. Create a new file. That's my new updated Andy NFT. Yeah, I'm not hidden anymore. And the image is here. Don't need attributes. Unhidden Andy. Metadata file lol. What's not working? Oh, probably need a name. Metadata lol. Okay. So if I'm not mistaken, if I now were to go to metadata.json, oh, Oh, I didn't even call it .json. Yeah, okay. Stupid, but works. Is stupid, but works. I should name it .json, please. There you go, thank you. So, coming back to you now. We were at URI. We provide the following. An account, okay. A key pair, okay. A new URI. It's that simple. Account keeper, new URI. Let's do it. An account. Let's say this one. Token address. I think it takes the token address as an account. A key pair. Metaplex. Script. Packages. CLI. Sort. Not, yeah. And then it was the def something JSON. Okay. And then the new URI was this thing. Boom. Let's see what happens. Done. Transaction signature. Can go check that out. But first. Look at that guy. Look at it. Look at this guy. We updated our metadata to secret Andy 34. Secret Andy 34 now has the official, look, where is it? It was revealed somewhere. It's one of those 40. there it is. The updated Andy NFT, yeah, is not hidden anymore because we updated it. We updated it. So good. Ooh, I'm dizzy. And then updating, like revealing all of them is probably as simple as that, just that you gotta work with lists, I suppose. That would be URI all. And that needs a JSON file with lists of mints and new URIs. Well, but that means we need to figure out how that JSON file needs to be formatted. Let's see how well documented this is, because it is not very well documented if you ask me. Docs. Oh, there is a docs. Cool. There are examples. There are docs. Not bad. Update URI all. Oh look, and there you have the format, how it should be formatted. I mean, pretty simple. So should we do that first, or do we want to do it right away with all the data? Because with all the data we can also specify new creators and new seller fee basis points and a new name. But let's assume that the name is fine because we got it from the candy machine with a new list, and the symbol should also be fine, and that should also be fine, all from the candy machine, and the creators should also be fine from the candy machine. So I guess we'll stay with a simple option and just update all URIs. So what we need is a file in the following format where we have mint account and new URI each time. Now, if you don't know how to code, this could be tough to get, but if you do know how to code, then it's super easy. To the IDE. Let's write ourselves a quick little script. Which language do we choose today? I think I like Python. Yeah, let's do Python. We're gonna work with JSON. We're gonna save this as our meta. What's the guy before the boss? Meta assistant. .py. So we import this JSON. You know, we could read from list, or we just copy it. Could read this from a file. Yeah, let's read it from a file. That's nicer. Token IDs JSON with open token IDs JSON as input file. Yeah, data is in JSON load input file. Print. Let's see if that works. I need a new terminal, please. Python meta assistant. That looks good. Okay, then we say for each token ID in the data. Let's check again which format do we need. We need a list of objects with mint account and new URI. So we have a list of updates. And to those updates we append the following object, which has a mint account, and you have a new URI and a new URI. And the mint account is the token ID, and the new URI will always be these. Okay, save. And then we updates JSON. We write as out file. No, JSON dumps, no, just dump out file. Oh, that's the file content, that's the thing we write, updates. Easy. Let's do that. There we go. Easy as that. And now we have an update JSON, which if we open that, has exactly the format that we need with a list of mint account, new URIs. Beautiful. And so we take that and we shove it into the Metaboss. So Metaboss update all with a U updates and a key pair. There you go. Should we just do that? Let's just do that. Oh, look at all those transactions. It's updating all of the things. And I might get rate limited. But I'm alright with that. There we go. Done. And now, if we have a look here. Look, it's now all Andys with a monkey on the shoulder. We revealed them all. We've revealed them all. How nice. How freaking nice. So nice. By the way, now we've set it up in a way where the JSON data is now literally on a GitHub. So I could also, change it by editing this file. This is not a good setup anymore. Because I would recommend that you, at least put it on Rweave again and update it to a new Rweave link. Because GitHub just isn't very persistent. I'm just using this to demonstrate. It takes a while to load. So if you want, you can do another Candy Machine upload and then take from the cache file. Let's see, where did I do anything? From the cache file, you can use the Rweave links if you don't know how else you can upload it to Rweave. But I would recommend that. I was just being lazy. And I wanted to show it with GitHub because I can. Now update it even better because it's now all in my GitHub. And obviously you would make different elements. I wouldn't make one JSON file for all of the NFTs. You make one per NFT, obviously. And also one image per NFT, obviously. I wouldn't have all of those URIs the same. So in my script, I would change this, obviously. Oh, by the way, you probably want to have that script, right? You can have it. There you go. The Meta Assistant script is now on here. Obviously, you want to change the parameters and get the... But yeah, I think we did all the things that we wanted to do. We revealed our hidden Andys to unhidden Andys. Now they even modified Andys. Now that it took that. But this is not a good setup anymore. Or maybe it is. Maybe that's exactly what you want. On the other side, if you're getting an NFT, maybe before you buy an NFT from a project, give it a look on where the metadata actually points, and if it points to a GitHub repo, I'm not so sure. Some projects point to their own website and for them to easily change it. It's okay for, games that, need to update it constantly. That's fine. But if you buy an NFT that is like static image, or at least you think so, then it should at least be an Arweave link. I mean, even that can be changed, and replaced by another one. But at least the thing that you got is persistent there, and at least it's not intended to be changed. Yeah. If you want to also update creators and everything, Metaboss can also do that. So just look up the update data command. It's pretty similar. And lastly, speaking of revealing, let's go back to the real life and the real wallet and check out what the people sent us. Look, we've got 3 new NFTs. We got a boar, I think, a hog. Nice. Wild Hog Gang. We've got CO. A Solar Space Academy. Number 1. I mean, number 1, ladies and gentlemen. I got number 1. Astros from the Solana Space Academy. I can be an astronaut. How nice. And then we've got Genesis. I love that for the glasses. I love everything rainbow. Everything rainbow. 913 out of 1111. Meta mounts. What the hell? Meta mounts are companions to your already favorite NFT. Oh, I could proudly showcase this on my Twitter? Maybe I will do that. There you go. There you go. Proudly showcase on my Twitter account. And I will keep showcasing whatever you guys send to me until one day somebody will send me a Degen Ape Academy. Ape. That's the plan. That's the plan. So if you want to send me NFTs, go ahead and drop them to solandy.sol and I will display them in the next video and potentially even make them my profile pic. Because, I mean, look at those glasses. That's just nice. I also need another pic for that. I like to get NFTs. All right, let's bring this to a close. Thank you, everybody, for watching today's episode of Andy Learns About NFTs on Solana. I hope that you also learned something in that process and that you can now update your hidden NFTs with the new metadata and images. Yes. If this video has been helpful, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. I want to get to the 1K before my birthday next month. So gotta click that. Also, you can show the videos to your friends who might want to learn about Solana and NFTs on Solana. And if you need any help, come join our Discord and we'll try to help you out there. Otherwise, I wish you a great day. Keep learning. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Oh yeah, and check out those videos. And also, send me all your NFTs. Or some of them, or one of them. One is already good. One is a good start. Send me one of your NFTs. I'll see you next time.